Killers' hands are bound with chains. At 6 o'clock it starts to rain. He'll never see the dawn again or lay out the flowers. Shelley's spilling Ramon's drink. The guy in the buck will get sick and cell next door. The lunatic starts screaming for his mother. Black total, black hell. As the Spanish cats are you in a jail. Much should I remember well who my years suffered. I can hear screams from up above. If it ain't a fist in his love, it's for a lady. She kneels down, her neck is bent. Blake comes down, down it goes the breakfast bell. Back from heaven, back to hell. Naked out in freedom, house touch.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can't always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Downtown. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of a gentle bossa nova. You'll be dancing with them too before the night is over. Happy again. The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright now. Downtown,
Non ero io, ma insomma.
And you may find somebody kind to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a gentle hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. We can forget all our troubles, forget all our cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute more. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Downtown,
Qui c'è invece il piazzale delle macchine. Sì. Qui c'è il piazzale delle macchine. Il sentiero mette di là però. No, divaga. Qua, c'è la telecamera, almeno ti rifiuti. Un po' qua. Scusa.
Occhio qui, pianino.
Conosci la Saltocchi?
Chi è?
Vedi che ho ogni tanto il cielo.
La saltò?
Faccio qui così.
È bene che l'abbia fatto il bambino.
Prima un'altra figurella.
Sì,
Leva via bicicletta. Dai la mano a alcuno.
No, ma c'è. Dammi la mano,
Cristo.
Ci guarda, ci guarda.
No, ma le belle viste, non è che.
Delle nuvole, la luna scende i gradini di grattacieli per prendermi la vita, per prendermi la vita.